Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to the vlog today. It is March 19th. It's a Tuesday, and I am going to take you along for a spring break day in the life. We don't really know what we have planned. I feel like that's a common theme sometimes in these vlogs. I know I need to go take a branded post for Diff. I love Diff so much. I'm so excited. I'll talk more about that later. I need to get my car inspected. My mom and I want to just like hit up some shops. My spring break for college is actually different from most of my other friends, and then obviously like your college friends leave, so I'm like chilling with my mom. It's a good time. We love my mom on this channel, just well in general too, but you know what I mean. Mom, I was just kidding. I was gonna make her say hi to the vlog, but she's doing other stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you along for a day. Will you say hi to the vlog? Hi vlog. We just finished taking a few pictures I need for my Instagram for Friday. In a couple days, I'm posting about Diff. They're doing a really huge sale, which I'm so excited about, and I got some new frames from them. So we went to the Domain because they have really cute locations. So I posed in front of some wall art, and then, oh my gosh, Mom had a really creative idea. Yeah. Mom is the creative brains behind this. I was like, if I'd been on campus, I would have made one of my friends do it, but then like, Mom stuck with me. I'm like, please take my picture. I don't think she likes taking pictures of me. Okay, I love this photo, but you can see the reflection and it makes me mad because it's so artsy. I think I'm gonna do one where I'm like looking to the side. But while I was at this green wall, I swear Haley fam walked past us. And like, okay, Haley fam lives in the same city as me, and so I'm like, okay, I've seen her before. I met her one time. I was like, it's funny thinking about that because I was so nervous, and I don't really get nervous to meet people, but I was so nervous. We were on the same flight, so I said hi to her, and we talked for like a minute, and I walked away so she could have like some privacy. But I heard a girl's voice that sounded exactly like hers, and I looked up, like, because my mom was taking a picture of me, and when I looked up, I could see the girl from behind. She had Haley fam's hair. She was wearing an outfit like she wears. She was wearing one of those little backpacks. I don't know what they're called, but like I'll insert a picture or something. And she was holding Duncan, and these are all things she likes, and I was like, that has to have been her. But then I'm like, well, and I didn't see the front of her face, never saw her again. Might not have been, but like, I'm pretty sure it was, so. So, celebrity sighting?
Oh, are we vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi. So I decided to go rogue and no longer telling Jessica where we're going. I believe the word's rogue. But anyway, she's crabby about it.
No.
But that's life. And here, quick, blue bonnets out there. Bye. Okay, see ya.
Okay, it has been a hot minute since I've vlogged. A lot has happened though, but things we've done so far. We got new dog food for our dog because she is a mess and needs to start eating normal again. What else did we do? We got my car inspected, which is great. Yeah.
Got my chair for the office.
Yes, Mom needed a new chair for her desk because her old chair was just really big, wasn't liking it, not as comfortable either. I think it was just kind of awkward for you. So we got you a nice one. We're gonna have to pick it up, but we ordered it, like went in the store and sat in it.
Sat in one store and ordered it to another her.
Yeah, we figured it'd be more convenient just to pick it up later in the day. It made sense. I've been editing the photos I have to post on Friday for Diff, and I'm so excited because I love Diff. And I've been texting my friend Claire, and I love Claire, so if you're watching this, shout out to you. But then we went to Chick-fil-A. Mom went rogue. She was like, I'm picking the lunch place. Yeah, crazy mom, right? So we did that, and then we had to go stop to buy her some new shoes because her feet were like really hurting because of the shoes she was wearing, only to find out I had the shoes in my car. Like I had some backup flip-flops in my car just for these situations. It's all good though. Now we are going, are we going to pick up the chair? Okay, so we're going to go pick up the chair at a different Office Depot, but we're also going to go back to the Domain because I really want a nice new purse because when I get a purse, I'm pretty loyal. I like to stick with it. But my purse right now is kind of falling apart, and I'm like, I kind of want to see if I can find a good, solid purse that will last me a while and that I really like. We stopped by Ross. I got some cute new shoes. I will show you a clip of those. I don't know if I should keep them or not because I don't need shoes, but they seem super comfortable. We went and picked up Mom's office chair. That's cool. Now we are going back to the Domain. We just love it there so much. But I wanted to kind of walk around like Macy's and Nordstrom because I mentioned I want a new purse. And I feel like they both have like large selections, so I can kind of like get a feel for it. Because it's like as much online shopping as you can do. Like it's never gonna show me the size. I need to see the size of the purse. I need to feel it. I'm just... all those people, I gotta go see it.